Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today we're going to take a look at these cashew saplings that are still trying to make it. Now, 2 years ago, you have these guys that died during the winter. I guess it got too cold for them. And then now the freezes we had a couple of weeks ago seem to have affected most of what was green not that long ago. But there's still hope. I mean, you've got a green leaf right here. We'll see if that one can hold on. And then down there, you've got some green leaves. I think those have a really good chance of surviving. And, hopefully we can get this bunch of, cashew saplings to become a tree that has no trouble surviving. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Got a lot more coming. A lot more progress reports. And, don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button, as that helps us out tremendously with the channel. Have a good day.